rainiest night of your soul. We're walking around the lake and you told me to close my eyes. You said that the sound of running water reminds you of a time of peace. You also said that your heart is broken, that the clouds of your soul's rainiest night might be gathering again, that the dark somehow is just waiting for you to be happy. I wish I could prove you wrong, but I can't, so I'll say this. Every time you open your mind to me, I'm blown away. It's like that movie where Drew Barrymore loses her memory every morning, you know? Me being Drew Barrymore in this metaphor, because every single time I'm surprised. Every time you share your heart, something beautiful comes out of it. They say that a sign of madness is to do the same thing over and over again and expect a different result. Well, if that's true, then I think I'm crazy for you, because every time you speak to me, I know something new is going to happen. Because you say that you're broken like glass, because you're shattered and you're infixable. But I say you're broken like a puzzle, and puzzles are meant to be broken until they're figured out. And we're going to figure this one out. And like any puzzle, we're going to start with the sky pieces first. Every single one of those light blue pieces. Because then, whatever happens, at least we know it ain't going to be raining. And when it does rain, then I'll be there too. And I'm going to remind you that every single one of those things that I love about you can glow in the dark. I'm going to hold your hand, I'm going to tell you to close your eyes, and I'm going to say, doesn't the rain just sound like running water?